How do HVAC systems work? First, let's break down the most common system, AC and furnace. The AC unit sits outside, the furnace unit inside the home. Refrigerant, a chemical cooling compound found inside an air conditioner, absorbs the heat and humidity from inside your home, then transports it through the air conditioner before finally releasing it outside, so you can enjoy a cooler home. In the colder months, the furnace unit creates heat through burning its energy source while the blower pushes the warm air throughout the home. A furnace can use different energy sources, including natural gas, propane, or oil. Other common systems are heat pumps and air handlers. A heat pump provides both cool and hot air by transferring air from one place to another, just like your AC unit. An air handler assists in regulating the circulation and temperature of indoor air to help create your ideal temperature setting. In all these HVAC systems, ductwork and ventilation are key to experiencing effective heating and cooling. At Trane, we believe in providing performance and support you can rely on.